How to top up boiler pressure. Low boiler pressure can stop your heating completely, but fixing it usually takes less than a minute. I'm Michael from BeFix, and I'll show you what to check before calling an engineer. First, look at the pressure gauge on your boiler. Most boilers should be between 1 and 1.5 bar when cold. If it's lower, you'll need to top it up using the filling loop, usually a silver flexible hose under the boiler. Slowly open the valves and watch the gauge rise. Once it reaches around 1.5 bar, close the valves fully. Do not overfill it. Too much pressure can cause faults and leaks. If the pressure keeps dropping, that's not normal. It could be a leak, a failed expansion vessel, or a faulty pressure relief valve. BeFix can diagnose the problem properly and fix it safely before it turns into a bigger repair. Call 020-805-84241 or visit befix.co.uk to book your service.